Hey guys, so today I am going to be reviewing the tgin line. I ordered some products off of Ulta. I really heard a lot of great things about their line and from my sister, from my best friend, and I wanted to try it out. So I got the Honey Curl Custard here. And this is what I'm going to be using to actually tighten my locks. I got the moisture rich sulfate free shampoo, the green tea super moist leave-in conditioner, and I got the rose water curl refresher. So I already washed my hair, as you can tell. I have to wash my hair about 3 times in order to get it clean, in order to actually get the shampoo to suds. And on the second wash, this was already creating a lot of suds. I use this much for my wash to wash 3 times, and normally I would have to use like half a bottle of shampoo in order to wash my hair. So what I'm gonna do now is basically look at the texture of my hair after I just washed it, see, you know, whether it looks dry or not. And to me it looks pretty average. Normally I use the Shea Moisture Castor Oil shampoo, and my hair kind of has like a sheen to it after I wash it. So for this one, it doesn't look dry. My scalp seems pretty clean. So overall, I think, yeah, it was pretty good. What I'm gonna do now is use the leave-in conditioner. Let's see. The smell, oh yeah, and the smell of the shampoo, phenomenal. It smells really good. This smells good too. So this is leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna get this all down my locks. I could tell that it's more water infused, and it says here in the ingredients, because it's not as, I don't know, creamy looking. It's pretty translucent. I don't know if you can see. So make sure that I massage my scalp to get my roots conditioned. I'm gonna use the Waajid, which is a brand I really like. Their African healing oil, and this helps to soften, moisturize, and protect hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna generously oil my scalp. So after that step, I'm gonna go and use the rose water. So this product, it says that you could use this throughout the day. Okay, so refreshes overworked curls, kinks and waves, extends the life of your curls without shampooing, enhances shine and reduces frizz, leaves hair soft, moisturized, and manageable. And it says you could use this after your leave-in and style as usual. You can use it on dry or damp hair. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah. The style I'm gonna do today is a braid style that I normally do to tighten my locks. And also it's like a 2-in-1 style, so you could use this to just rock with the braids, or after, while rocking with the braids, you take it out and your hair is kinky and curly. So what I'm gonna do is start from the front. So I just take 3 of my locks. I put the other ones in a ponytail. So, going in with the Honey Curl Custard. I take the custard a little bit on my finger, like so, and put it on my roots. the texture of this is way smoother, more like gel. You see my curls already starting to form there, which is good. I like that. Almost makes me want to cut my locks off. But no, I won't. Okay, so once I get all of them saturated with the product, then I start my rolling method to tighten. I start from the edge and I kind of work my way down, and then I palm roll so I could get a nice tight coil right there. And I just leave it like that, just tuck it behind my ear really until I'm ready to braid. And then add a little bit more. And I do that method at the edges in the front so I could look like more refined. For the one behind, I just palm roll straight away. So let's do that again. Get a little bit more on the edge, you know. I guess this product could also be used as a lightweight edge control. At least I believe it could. It seems as though it could be used. We'll see how it dries. But yeah. And then I take those three and I braid it in three, and I'm rolling and overlapping as I do it, rolling with my index and thumb. But I love to do this style because I don't have to use the hair dryer. I hate the hair dryer so much. Like the amount of time that I would have to be under there it would just be torture. You would put the elastic band at the end here to hold this style. I just continue to do this around my whole head, and I try to make it like a triangle so that it actually looks even. So got those two. One more. Give these products so far a 10. I do have to see how it dries. I realized with this product I didn't have to use a lot of shampoo. Normally I have to use so much in order to get a good coat over my hair. I'm gonna go off camera and do the rest of my hair, and when it's all done I'm gonna come back on so you guys can see the finished product. Okay guys, I'm all done. I finished everything. This is how it looks. All finished. And I normally wear this for like a few weeks, and then I take it out and it'll be curly. I'm gonna use my trusty edge brush. Don't use this on your teeth. And just use a little bit of the curl custard and just work that on my edges. And just a sweep and a swoop. Looks pretty good. Just get these ones up front. Whoever thought of using a toothbrush to do your edges? Genius. Whoever that genius was. I just want to thank you. So that's the end with my little mini review of the tgin Thank God It's Natural products, and I did spend my own money. This is not sponsored. One day I'll become, you know, worthy of sponsorship, but that's not today. I have to spend my money. My final, I guess, opinion on the products is they're really good, really easy to use, very lightweight, which I really like. They mix well together, which is a good thing, like the leave-in with the curl custard and the rose water spray. And just to be extra, I'm gonna just spray the final dew. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.